Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again. Today I got the fastro van. This is the one needed for the collection for Series 36. There it is, Monster Jam. Where's the back? All I need is a Blue Thunder chase piece, and I'm done with the set. This is part of alternate dimensions. True metal. Monster Jam logo. Pretty cool. Fastro. Let's get to the unboxing now. Okay. Oh, the paint's actually matte. Here is Fastro van. I love the gray it has and the black. It's all matte, which is nice. Red rims and beadlocks, black roll cage, red chassis. Taillight printing, has a little door handle printing as well. There's the front of it, which is a mystery machine casting. Really nice little truck. I love this. Monster Jam logo, Fastro van. That's all I got today. All I need is a ghost crew, like I said, to complete the other case back there with the Monster Mutt. And the rest of the cases I need. Like, subscribe, comment, share. There's more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.